Hi guys, kakain ng baby ko ng ice cream. Mix ice cream na yan. Yum yum. May cheese, may cookie, and strawberry with cream, and strawberry only. And this is black forest. And what else? Mainit ang panahon ngayon. Kainan na. Okay, you eat na your ice cream, baby. My baby, sir, look at him. Hinambid, oh. Amorang correct. Hi, guys. Mukbangers, baby. My baby mukbang ice cream.
Ice cream spoiled.
Oh, grabe yung position, no? Nakahinambid. Amorang correct. Oh, baby na yan. Love ni mami. Eating ice cream. Mukbang siya ng ice cream, oh. Ang laki-laki. Okay. This is my son. Mukbangers. Edward Christopher. Loves to eat ice cream. Mukbangers, baby. Oh. Yummy? Ay, grabe dyan. Halo-halo ice cream mo. Masarap to kumain eh. Si mukbangers to eh. Ice cream Edward. Mukbang muna daw siya ng ice cream. Magmumukbang daw siya ng ice cream. Okay, you eat na. Yummy, yummy? Okay mo. Okay, puti. Ano, nakatingin sa palabas. So, smile, show your dimple. Where's the dimple? Where's the big dimples? Yeah, there you go. Okay. Edward's mukbang ice cream. He is my mukbangers. Love to eat my baby boy. Okay, you eat na. Yummy, yummy? Is that yum, yum? Nagmumukbang siya, guys. Ang ice cream niya ay halo-halo. Ayan. Edwards love to eat ice cream. Si Aileen tulog pa. Aileen Annalisa is still sleeping. Okay. Mukbang ang baby ko. Si mukbangers yan eh. My baby mukbangers. What you like? My baby, oh. Yummy, yummy ice cream. Mamukbang daw siya, guys. Si mukbangers to eh. Okay, eat your ice cream. And he's drinking Gatorade. Si may mukbangers yan eh. He's my mukbangers, baby. Edward's mukbang ice cream. Here. Lang to, guys eh. Mukbang agad siya ng ice cream. Eh, look at here. Look at here. Smile muna. Yeah. You love ice cream? Okay. So, thank you for watching, guys.
Like the comments.
And
Share the like button.
And subscribe. Hindi niya maano-ano, nabubulo na siya eh. Okay, give them a kiss. Yeah, and hey, don't forget Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
And good morning. Give Daddy a kiss. Hey, love you.
I love you.
Okay, Edward's done eating ice cream mukbang. Antok na siya. Oh. Git. Git.